Hi guys, Johan here. Today at the shop we've got a brand new C63 S finished in satin black with delivery mileage. We're going to cover the full car in matte PPF. As I just said, this car is finished in satin paint, so we're going to cover the whole car in our matte PPF to keep the finish looking exactly the same. Why do we do this? The thing with satin or matte paint is you can't correct it. If it scratches, we can't do anything. Stone chips, you can't do anything. Tree sap, acid rain, all those sorts of stuff, you cannot fix it on satin or matte paint. So it's very important, especially on a car like this, cover the whole car in matte PPF. It's protected, you don't have to worry, and you can enjoy it. First up, we had our software, selected the car, we're now cutting the templates for the C63. Our PPF application is done. For the paintwork, we used our matte PPF. For all the gloss parts, we used our gloss normal PPF. We're now going to do the windscreen with our Stek Windscreen Protection Film. Brand new from Mercedes, finished in beautiful satin black. We applied matte PPF over the entire car. The reason being, matte paint or satin paint, you can't polish, you can't paint correct it. So the whole car is fully protected. On all the gloss pieces, we used our normal self-healing PPF. We also applied Stek self-healing windscreen protection film. This whole car is fully protected. It looks awesome, it looks mean. Now the customer can enjoy it. Hope you guys liked that video. Please remember to smash that like button, subscribe, share with your friends, keep an eye out. We've got new videos for you guys twice a week. Cheers.